Hi guys, as you know we're in the flooding area, but look at our creek. Let me zoom this in. Alright. Oh my god, that's our creek. Parker, who was trying? Oh, Wyatt. And there he goes down the creek. I'm not walking out there because it's pouring out. Oh my god, look at him go. You go, Wyatt. Yeah, that fell. Well, get unstuck. Oh, for heavens. I gotta get over here. I don't know what the heck he's... Oh, okay. You can't get through that spot. Oh, jeez. Okay. Okay, he's gonna try it. Parker is. Huh. Yeah, that's going fast. Looks like fun to me. You can't get by that one spot though. There goes Parker. Let me get over here. Got the pricker bushes.
It's my first time.
Here's where they get stuck. Oh man, can't see nothing. Oh my. What was it, a black widow? Oh, no way, man. Yeah, that's my bird bath there. From an old stool we picked up at Lowe's. Wyatt took it. I said, put it in the vehicle. Just sitting there. So, yeah, I got an underneath thing for the planters. And I filled it with water. Ta-da. Bird bath. No $44 for me. Oh, they're going to try to go up there. Oh, Jesus. Well, good luck with that. Good Lord. Oh, I wished I was down there. It's a chilly rain, so I shan't go in it. They're going to fall on their butt. This is good practice. Are you stuck? I think they got a little problem sinking. Yeah, like I said. Oh, Wyatt. What happened, Park?
I got stuck.
Did
It's
you?
because I didn't want to get caught.
Yeah, I don't blame you. Look at Wyatt. What's he think he's doing?
I don't know.
Well, that's it. That's enough. 5. Oh, God. Good stuff.